Hi, this is Ashley from the CIP, and today I want to show you a few tricks and treats I use when trying to make my presentations and documents look a little bit more polished and consistent. For a couple of reasons, I'm going to demonstrate this in PowerPoint, mostly because I personally find Microsoft Office products to be a little bit more robust and easy to tailor in the ways that are most meaningful in my own work. Since I don't have to do a lot of collaboration, I don't really need those features of Google products that make them so great, as much as I need control over the aesthetics and the organization of a document or a slide deck. However, the tricks and treats that I teach you in this video will help no matter what content creation software you're using, and you can easily just tailor it to whatever program you're using. First of all, I like to use the built-in themes in whatever product that I'm using. So in PowerPoint, you'll find those under the Design tab in the top banner. You'll first select a look that you like, even if you don't love the color, and then you can choose from a variety of built-in color schemes or create your own. If you click on the little down arrow in the variants box, you can find all of the built-in color schemes under Colors. And you can also click on Customize Colors at the bottom of that list to build your own color palette. Here I've already created two different color palettes using the Kenyon neutral color codes and the Kenyon brights that I found in the Office of Communications website, which I'll link to below. When I'm creating a color palette, I like to pull up each type of slide that I might normally use. That way I can preview the way that my selections look on the slides that I use most frequently. If I need to make changes to them, then I can right-click on the color palette in the list, select Edit, and change any one of those colors to make those slides look more like what I'm hoping for. If you aren't looking for Kenyon branded colors and you don't know really where to start in creating a color palette that works, I would recommend coolers.co. You'll click on Start the Generator and you'll browse until you find a color palette that you like. You'll take the codes straight from there, whichever one you choose, and enter them in when you're editing your color palette in whatever program you're using. I'm not sure if you can save and set color palettes quite like this for future use in the Google Suite, the way that I did here in PowerPoint, but I know you can use these individual color codes each time you create a slide deck or a theme in Google Docs, or you're using them in Canva or whatever you're using. And then the other treat that I'll share with you today is a site called Icon Finder, where I go to find icons to spruce up my PowerPoints and written documentation. I'll go ahead and search for office icons, and I like a sort of sketched kind of look, so I'll add that keyword too. On the left-hand side, I'll limit these to just the free icons. And when I find one that I like, I can download it at a variety of resolutions. And if I'm really particular on the color, there's even an option to download the Adobe Illustrator file to change it to the exact color that I want. I don't tend to be that particular, but I have in the past. And if you need branding consistency, it's really good to know that that's an option. Once I download it, I can just insert it as if I would any other photo in PowerPoint, Google Slides, etc. I hope you've enjoyed these little tricks and treats, and I hope you have a happy Halloween.